Smile, smile. Cheers, smile. One more, good body lang.
Ikaw mo na mailot. Ayos lang. Basta, hiraw pa lang mo ha. Salamat sa pag-abot. Salamat sa pag-abot. 6-2. Masada lang ako. Tagal. Kuya, dali magkiraray. Ano? Siya rin. After almost 14 years of being together, we finally made it. I've always looked forward to this day where we will finally be called husband and wife. And today is the day. I'd like to thank you for everything you have done for us, for me and my family. Thank you for letting me become the best version to myself all through the years. Your constant love and support has been instrumental to who I am today. The future looks bright and happy with you by my side. I can't wait to go through life with you. I know that we will have grand and beautiful time together. I'll forever be here for you, no matter what happened. You are my one and only, the only person I will run to in times of need. I hope you never forget how much you mean to me. I love you with all my heart and soul. I can't wait to spend my lifetime with you. See you in a bit. Padangaton takang muray. Love, Mala.
Ayan. Hi Mala, good morning monks. Hirap mag-isip lalo na kung seryoso ang isusulat. Alam mo naman na this is not me. Ha ha ha! Pero para sa'yo gagawin ko na. Alam mo naman na gagawin ko lahat para maging masaya ka. Ka lang. Kahit ako nahihirapan. Charot lang. Anyway, ito na talaga, humahaba lang. Wala naman akong sinasabing matino. Para humaba lang susulatin. Seryoso. Good luck sa Tuy at Chan. Ito na ang katapusan ng pagiging BFGF ta at Chan. After wedding, Mrs. Revereza ka na. Haha. Pero depende kung gusto mong gamiton. Pero no choice ka na. By the way, I would like to thank you sa buong family mo since day one. Ang bait nila sa akin. Pero, syempre, napapagalitan din ng dahil sa alam mo na sa balbas. May picture na balbas. Salamat mong sa lahat-lahat. Di ko na ibabahin pa. Baka di pa to matapos sa sobrang haba. Salamat sa pagtitiwala, sa pagbigay pag-asa sa buhay. Yung support natin sa isa't isa upang maitupad mga pangarap natin sa bawat isa. Sa pag-intindi sa ugali ko sa loob ng 14 years to be exact. Happy anniversary. O di ba imposible makalimutan pa natin ang araw na to. Anniversary natin bilang naging tayo at magiging anif na rin natin as a couple. Love you, Mala. 16.
High five!
Salamat, salamat, salamat.
Woo! Yes! Nice bow!
Tapos tingin kay Pao.
Alam na naman. Sige, parang group hug na lang pa, parang iyan.
Sigula. Sige lang, squeeze it.
Okay, tawanan sabay-sabay. One. Okay na po.
Diba? Thank you. Salamat.